We're gonna go into a vertical compression test, which is a great way to check standing posture. So I'm gonna have Andrea stand nice and relaxed. My pressure is gonna be down through her shoulders and just making sure that I'm not pushing one way or the other. And you could see from the side profile there, when I put a little bit more pressure, what started happening down at her hips and at her back. As I pushed down there, you could see her pelvis sheared forward and she broke under that pressure. So we already did a video on standing posture, but just a quick review, because this is going to be a really important one. We're going to start down at our feet. So Andrea, I want you to step your feet a little bit wider, about shoulder width apart. You're going to think about locking your feet into the ground, so you're creating a little bit of outward pressure, not too much there. I want you to next squeeze your glutes, and that's going to reset your pelvic position. You're going to squeeze, and then you could ease off. I'm going to come onto your ribs here. Take a big inhale in. As you exhale, feel your ribs come over your pelvis. Good. And with your arms, you're going to rotate the arms all the way back and then drop them down to your side. Slightly draw the chin back. And create a little bit of tension by drawing your belly button in toward your spine, just about a 20% tension there. And we're going to come back and apply that same force again. And you can see I'm putting most of my body weight there, and we're not really able to move Andrea. You might have seen, like recently, especially on Instagram, there's been posts going around saying, you know, posture isn't correlated with pain, and that is the finding of one study. But I wouldn't really hang my head on that one study. You think about posture, if you were to go and stand like this, try to stand like this for an hour, I guarantee you're gonna feel some pain. So there must be some correlation between the two. So let's try to get ourselves a little bit more upright, bring our shoulders back, create some tension through the abs, and just try to stack our body. So you think about our legs, our low back, mid back, our head, all those things should be aligned. It just makes sense with gravity putting the pressure down that those things all be in good alignment.